What is the strength of your class?
Maybe it's above 250. In
Okay.
my
So actually, usually how many students they are usually connecting with this?
above 80, 90, near about 100. Always.
So now I'll continue. Now I'll continue. So now I think we'll start. 25 participants, I think, joined. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll continue. Because now it is 8. So anyway, this is Monalisa Patnaik from Sambalpur University, and I'll teach your paper, that is research methodology. So within 10 classes, I have to cover. I'll try my level best to cover maximum syllabus. I am not saying that I'll complete everything, but whatever the idea I'll provide you, I think you can get so many things from this paper. And after that, what are the exactly applications related to research methodology in different area of management, you can apply it perfectly. Okay, the basic idea I will provide you. And today is the first class, so that today I will just brief you whatever it is there in research methodology and why it is necessary for any type of research. Because research methodology, as you know, that it is the just cream of the research. Whenever you do that, any type of research or any type of project analysis or whatever, research methodology is the most important part of the any type of conclusive any type of report, project, or means you can say policy, you can say that research. Okay, so that's why what it is there actually. So research, as you know, that research means search for anything again and again. It can be never ending. It is a spiral type. Okay, it's a spiral type. Means once you start, it never be ending. Once you start, it never be ending. Because each and every day there is something new idea in world, something new idea it is added. Okay, so first you have to know exactly means what you want to do. Actually, there are so many problems it is arising in the society. It may be related to, you can say that so in means humanities, in social science, in science, and you can say in computer science, or you can say in the physical science, any type of any type of area you find something new it is happening. So exactly something new it is happening means actually so many problems it is arising in the society in any form. So first you have to identify, according to area of your research, you have to identify actually what type of problem it is arising in the society, and what I have to do. So it is not necessary that you can touch each and every, you can solve each and every problem in the society. You just identify one problem, okay, single problem. So that means it is a very specific problem. You have to pick it out. That is the most important thing. And before starting that the research methodology and means that this particular paper, just I want to brief what it is there actually in the syllabus. Okay, then I'll show you one PPT. Overall idea you can you can get what exactly after learning this particular paper, means why we are studying this particular paper. You can understand after discussing that PPT. Okay, so exactly what it is there in the research methodology paper. First, it is means only the theoretical portion. What is the research actually? What is the meaning, objective, importance of the research, role of research, functional research. That means as you are the management students, how it will be applicable in finance, in marketing, in HR, in production also, process of research, and what is the process actually, how to do the research. That is also most important one. That also today we'll discuss. What are the different steps? Okay. Then second unit it is there, defining research problem. I think all of you have got the syllabus. Just I am briefing what it is there actually in the syllabus. Then defining research problem. That already I have told. Means how to define the research problem, because in society there are so many different problems it is related to solve. Okay, it is related to, it may be marketing, it may be HR, it may be finance, it may be production, or it may be, you can say that any general paper. But you have to identify, means you have to define it. That is the most important one. And that is that whatever the problem you have to identify, actually that should be the new one. The problem already it is identified and already it is solved by so many people, and you are doing the same research. I think it is not impact to the society, because so many people, they have done that type of same research and they have got the results also. But the choosing the problem or identifying the exact problem and the new problem, it is most important one and most welcome, because nobody has solved that particular problem. Nobody has identified, and you are doing the first one or you are doing the second one. That is the good. That is good actually. So so now I will share the screen. Just wait for 2-3 minutes. First I will discuss that syllabus. Then okay. So I think all of you have got the syllabus. Just I am briefing within 2-3 minutes. Then we will go to that screen. Okay, means a PPT. Then it is coming that collection, processing, analysis of data. So after defining that one, you have to collect the data. Means you have to frame the questionnaire. You have to collect the data, and how you analyze. You have to apply. If it is a primary data, then you have to go for statistical analysis. If it is a secondary data also, whatever the analysis regarding analysis also we'll discuss. There are different types of statistical tests. It is there. So how will do that? Because only collecting the data and it is not sufficient. You have to go for conclusion. Whatever you are doing the research, you have to go for conclusion. So that type of analysis is known as quantitative analysis. Quantitative. If it is related to data, then it is quantitative analysis. So what type of analysis you do? Means there are so many statistical tools and techniques, but what is exactly necessary for what type of objective, that is most important one. Okay, so then it is coming that multivariate analysis. There are so many types of analysis: bivariate, univariate, multivariate. I will discuss that one. So different type of analysis it is there in the unit 4. Then unit 5, after doing analysis everything, then you have to make the report. Means it may be in the dissertation form, it may be in the report form, it may be in the thesis form. You have to frame like that. So how to go for report writing, means how to go for writing the thesis, report, or you can say the dissertation. There is some rules and regulation, procedure it is there, steps it is there. According to that you have to follow that rules. According to that only you have to frame. Okay, writing article, writing research paper, and writing review paper, it is totally different from others. And how to write the papers, how to write the thesis, everything it is there in the unit 5. So like this way, unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it covers everything related to research. Okay, so now I will share you that PPT, and we'll discuss whatever exactly it is there in this paper. And overall idea, I think you'll get that what is exactly research methodology paper. So can you brief me that how to share? Means first I will go for share screen, no? Because it is...
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. First, which file you will try to share? First, open that file. After that, you will share. Click in the share button and share the file.
Okay. So just I'll check. Okay, now I'll share screen. Then here it is written host disabled participant screen sharing. Okay.
So, ma'am, you have to contact to Mr. Deepak DDC University.
I have no contact number.
Ma'am, now it is available, ma'am. You can share it.
Means here it is written host disabled participants screen sharing.
Try again, ma'am. Try again. It is able now.
No, I'll here it is cross and okay. What I'll do?
I'll make host you.
So here it is cross and okay. It is red, host disabled participant screen sharing. So here it is cross and okay. So what I'll do now?
Wait, ma'am. Wait a second.
Actually,
Madam, now it is open.
Now it is open. So I'll put here okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Then I'll minimize this one. I'll show that the PPT.
Yes, ma'am.
Or
Whatever you saw in mobile, student also saw this.
No. Actually, now again I'll click on that share screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, share screen. That PPT is showing, and in that PPT I'll click. No.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So I'll maximize that one. Now, I think all of you can see this PPT.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Very
ma'am,
good.
PPT is visible, but
Yes.
change it for PPT mode.
What you are saying?
Ma'am, PPT is showing, but it is not showing in PPT mode. Please click in the PPT mode. Like your screen size showing less 69 number. Just
No,
check the right button.
I have maximized that one.
No, ma'am. Just click the PPT mode option. It will clear,
Where it is-
clearly
where-
visible
where
for
it
all of
is
you.
there in that PPT mode where it is written.
Ma'am, click the go to the right button.
Wait. That PPT
Here is yes, ma'am. Just yes, ma'am. That one.
slide show.
No. Right option. There is 3 buttons showing.
Yes. More.
Third one is the PPT mode.
3 button. Where it is 3 button?
Ma'am, there's a number 69 showing. Right button. Your screen right button. There is a number 69 showing. Screen size.
Yes.
Left one. Left one.
69
Ma'am.
showing
69 number left.
left. Yes, slide
Yes, ma'am.
show.
Yes, ma'am.
Slide
Click,
show.
ma'am.
Slide show.
Yes, ma'am. Click it, ma'am.
Now is it visible clearly?
No, till it not changed.
Again.
No, madam, not
that-
necessary. It is visible clearly now.
Now it is clearly visible.
Yes, ma'am. Slides are visible clearly.
Okay. Then it is okay. So
Okay.
now exactly what it is written: applications of statistics in multidisciplinary perspectives and introduction of to machine learning techniques. You just machine learning techniques. It is advanced technology. That I'll make you just give you the idea what it is exactly. Okay. So what exactly is statistics? How it will help to multidisciplinary perspective. Multidisciplinary means different type of research. So science people, commerce people, then means social science, then humanities. For any type of research, how statistics it will be helpful to different research that we'll discuss today. Okay. So just next slide. Exactly what I highlight here. First, you have to know what is research and types of research. Okay. So today, just I am giving you the brief. Then, according to the syllabus, we'll proceed further. Next class onwards, I will provide you the material, means PDF. I will share it to Rasmi ma'am, and she will share to you that PDF. Okay. That we will discuss. First, I will complete this class. Then only within 5 minutes, 2 minutes, I will explain what exactly the procedure, how to teach. Okay. That this particular paper. So research and types of research first we'll discuss, then research process, Then how to go for actually research after research process. In that research process only, how to go for research actually. What are the initial step? That is literature review, literature overview, and what are the different types of research, so that we can apply this research methodology or statistical tools or whatever. That is mathematical model type, means I'll show you, I'll make you understand how to go for the research related to mathematical modeling, time series modeling, then how to apply the advanced technology, that is machine learning techniques, and how to apply these machine learning techniques in COVID-19, means one case analysis. I'll just give you the idea. Then exactly research methodology, how it will be helpful for framing this for analysis. Then what is analysis, what are the steps of analysis, and different types of analysis, univariate, bivariate, multivariate, everything we'll discuss. Exactly whatever it is there in the syllabus in research methodology paper, if you understand this particular PPT, you can get so many idea that exactly what is the application of research methodology. You'll get that idea. Okay, so now we'll come to that research and types of research. Already I have told, research means the search for anything again and again. It is known as research. Okay, that means now means after that actually what are the different types of research. So basically it is here written: exploratory research, conclusive research, modeling research, algorithmic research, causal research, empirical research. Okay, so exploratory research means the research related to data, the research related to data. Okay, so any type of research, social science research, whatever you are doing, social science research, humanities, management, any type of research, means marketing, HR, finance, everything, it is related to data. Data type research means it is exploratory research. Okay, that means you have to formulate hypothesis. In data type analysis means there is population, there is sample. Okay, so that means you have to continue with data. It may be means it must be quantitative. It must be quantitative. Data once it is coming means it must be quantitative. Quantitative analysis means you have to frame some hypothesis. So in exploratory research, you have to formulate the hypothesis. Okay, you have to formulate the hypothesis. Then it is coming conclusive research. Conclusive research means it may be descriptive, it may be experimental. Descriptive means social science people, they can go for descriptive research. Means in exploratory, you have to frame the hypothesis, but here you have to go for testing the hypothesis. Go for testing the hypothesis means only framing the hypothesis, it is not sufficient. Means you have to, why you are collecting the data, you have to draw some conclusion. So conclusive research, it includes conclusive research. Means exploratory research, it may be two types, it is conclusive or experimental. Okay, conclusive research means framing that hypothesis, then you have to go for testing the hypothesis. That is descriptive research. Okay, means you have to describe the data, or you can describe the data and you have to go for analyze and you have to go for conclusion. That is conclusive research. Then it is coming experimental research. Science people, they can go for experimental research. They have to do the experimentation, then only they can draw the conclusion. So without experiment, they cannot go for finding. They can go for findings of the research. Okay, so experimental, that is experimental research, but it is coming under again exploratory research because it is a data. It is related to data only, quantitative form again. Then it is coming model research. Modeling research means that mathematical modeling. That I'll give you one example. Or also mathematical modeling, you can say symbolical model, simulation model, different type of model you have to frame. Means you have to generalize. Generalized model means once it is model, framing means it is generalized. Anyone can apply with some conditions. Okay, that is modeling tech research. Maximum those who are interested to do the research related to production and operations management, or you can go for financial modeling. Okay, that is related to simulation, financial forecasting model or whatever. So it is related to modeling tech research. Next it is coming algorithmic research. Algorithmic research to develop algorithm. Yes,
ma'am, sorry
yes.
for the interruption. Ma'am, your screen is not moving now.
No, not moving. I am discussing the same PPT only now.
But your first screen is showing, the introduction screen is showing your name.
Okay, this one
But
now
yes,
this
yes.
what?
what you saying now, that is not seeing the PPT.
So
You
PPT,
cannot identify.
what you can see?
Your home page is showing.
Homepage is showing.
Yes, ma'am. Here it is mentioned in your name only and the introduction only your subject line.
This one.
Hmm.
So now what you can
No,
see?
ma'am. Still not, ma'am. Only page number 1 is showing only.
So here, please you tell me what I'll do. I can means I'm not but here it is written your screen is sharing is paused. So what I'll do?
Ma'am, click it resume button. Here is the option resume, na?
Yes, resume share.
Yeah, ma'am. Please click the resume share.
Okay, now it is coming.
No, same issues happening.
So new share it is written. Again,
Ma'am, can you please confirm that you opening it in your laptop or mobile?
No, laptop.
Laptop, na?
Yes.
Just I'm saying you please close. Stop the screen share.
Stop share. Okay.
Okay. Please go to the PPT and view it in slideshow mode.
Wait. Then now
Go to PPT.
I'll minimize this one. Means
Okay.
Zoom.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
go to the PPT.
Yes.
Click it on slideshow mode.
Yes.
Okay. Then go to ma'am, Zoom. Click screen share.
Just wait. Just wait. So now.
In Zoom, click the share button.
Actually, I am
Screen share.
I'm comfortable with that Google Meet, but Zoom. This is the first time actually I'm doing. That's why there is problem. Okay, once I'll understand, and next time onwards it will be clear. Just help me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Sure,
I'll
ma'am,
go for slideshow.
Huh.
Yes, then.
Now your PPT is showing fully slideshow mode, na?
Yes.
Okay. Please go to the Zoom window.
Yes, Zoom window.
Okay. Click the share button.
Share button. Okay.
Okay. Now in your share scene, 2 PPT is showing. One is full mode. One is the half mode. Click the full one.
Full mode. Yes.
Click the yes, ma'am. Click the full one.
Yes.
Click
Now
OK.
it is coming.
Yes, ma'am. It is showing. Now you can just moving the screen.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It is now moving. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Now I'm getting. Yes. So this part already we have covered. Okay. Now this one we are discussing.
Ma'am, can you please repeat this one because we are not understood.
Which one?
Previous one. Highlight
okay.
one.
Now we are discussing the different types of research. Okay. Exploratory, conclusive, modeling type research. These are the most important type of research that usually we are using. Okay. Exploratory, conclusive, modeling, algorithmic, causal research, empirical research. So generally social science people, they are using empirical research. It is also coming under exploratory research. Okay. Exploratory research means the research related to data. Related to data means it is a quantitative type of research. Qualitative and quantitative. Quantitative of type of research, that is your exploratory research. Okay. So it is related to data means once you are collecting the data, it may be the primary data, it may be secondary data. Again, we will discuss primary data, secondary data whenever I will come to means next class onwards, according to the syllabus we will discuss. Okay. So it is related to data means you have to frame some hypothesis. Hypothesis means because you are not covering the population, just you are going for sample collection. That's why you have to frame the hypothesis. So in exploratory research, you have to only formulate the hypothesis. But in conclusive research, you have to test the hypothesis, whether it is true or false. Okay, it is coming under again, that is descriptive and experimental. Descriptive means social science people, they are using descriptive, or humanities, management, you can use that descriptive research. Means you have to describe the data, you have to analyze the data. According to that, you have to go for finding. But in experimental research, the science people, they can go for experimentation. It may be lab, okay, that is physics, chemistry, biology, that is experimental research. Through experiment only they can go for analysis, okay. Then it is coming modeling type of research. Modeling type of research means you have to frame the model. It may be mathematical model. The students, those who are coming from, means those who are interested to do the research related to production, operations research, they can go for mathematical modeling, okay. And symbolic research means that is computer science people, they can go for symbolic type of model. And simulation model, the finance researcher, they can go for simulation model, okay. So modeling type of research, you have to collect. This is usually related to the secondary data, or also you can say empirical research type of data. Then you can apply, you can frame the model, okay. Mathematical model means that is generalized for all. Any type of data you put, just you get the result, okay. That is modeling type of research. Next, it is coming algorithmic research. Algorithmic research means you have to develop the algorithm. Means it may be mathematical algorithm, it may be related to the computer science people. They are usually go for algorithmic. They are developing the algorithm to solve any type of problem, okay. That is algorithmic. So mathematical model also you have to develop algorithm. That is also algorithmic research coming under that. Then causal research. The physics people, economics people, they can go for causal research, cause and effect, okay. Cause and effect type of relationship, if you go for and finding that one, any science people, they can use that causal research. Or economics research, it is related to causal research also, cause and effect type of relationship. If you want to develop that, what is the actually that epidemiology means disease type, that is also the medical people, medicines also you can use that causal research. That you can do that one. The maximum science people, they can use this research, okay, causal research. Then it is coming empirical, management students, they can use this empirical research. Means it is also related to exploratory, means you have to go for data collection. Through that data only, any type of observation or phenomena directly experienced by the researcher, means you directly distribute the questions and you'll get the result, get the data. After that, you have to go for analysis, means you have to frame the hypothesis and analysis to draw the conclusion, okay. So like this way, this is all about related to different types of research. So I think all of you are getting little bit idea related to research. Yes or no? I think all of you have got related to different types of research, little bit idea. Okay, then next we'll move to research process. Next we'll move to research process. All that is there in the syllabus. Please mute the students. Please you mute your or whatever. Please you mute. Some sounds it is coming. Okay, so now we are discussing research process. So research process, it is related to that means actually it is related to how to do the research. Please you mute, dear students, please you mute your mic. I think some disturbance it is coming to me. Anyway, research process means how you do the research, means whatever you do, that any type of work, what is the procedure, that is the most important one. So in research process, it covers, first you have to identify the problem, means how you have to identify the problem. It is related to marketing, it may be related to finance, it may be related to that HR. So in marketing, suppose I am giving you an example, product design. Suppose you want to you want to do the research related to new product design. Okay, that is the problem. So problem, first you have to identify. Regarding problem, regarding the product design, you have to do the research, new product design. Okay. Similarly for HR, it may be employee satisfaction, the job satisfaction, or whatever you can say, or means job design, how to do that means design of the means particular, suppose any recruitment you want to do. So what is the design, means what actually what is the important criteria you want to add in that particular means post. That also you can do. So employee satisfaction, etc. Similarly, finance, you want to go for framing that stock market prediction, or you can go for that means co-integration, volatility. So in finance you can do. In production you can do that optimization of the optimization or supply chain model. Supply chain model, inventory, means how to optimize the inventory, inventory cost of the particular product. That also you can do. And any type of supplier selection, or you can go for that transportation related research. You can go for means quality related research in production. So different area you can first you have to identify what is the problem actually. Then you have to go for objective of the research. So objective of the research is also most important one. So before framing the objective, first you have to know what is the research question, and what are the different hypotheses. First you have to frame. So this is the second step. Then it is coming that research design. So research design covers research approach, design of sampling plan, design of questionnaire, etc. Suppose it is a primary data type, then you have to go for sampling plan. Sampling means what type of sample you have to draw and what is the sampling method. Sampling method means it may be probabilistic sampling, it may be non-probabilistic sampling, like that. Okay. So if it is probabilistic sampling, then so many different methods: simple random sampling, stratified random sampling, systematic random sampling, different type of sampling method it is there. So which type of method you want to apply, or you have to go for purposive sampling or judgment sampling, whatever. So what type of sampling method you have to adopt, and what is the design of questionnaire, and what is the approach actually. Means how to draw the sample from the population. Different things you have to first you have to design it. That is known as research design. It is very important and it is the part of research methodology. Okay. Then it is coming data collection. Then it is coming data. So data collection means it is related to primary data or it is related to secondary data. Primary data means directly you just connect with the respondents. Suppose you have your population is 100, your sample size is 100 number of questionnaire, you have to share it through, or it may be you personally you anyway you have to, so please please mute your mics. Some of the students, I think, they are discussing or talking. It is disturbing me. Please.
Ma'am, you just mute or not in your site, ma'am.
So, please mute your mics, those who are talking. In between.
मैम आप आपके साइड से म्यूट कर दीजिए सबको.
Anyway, so but all of you are getting or not? Getting me or not? Please, all of you are getting me or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it is coming data collection. That is your primary data. Primary data means through questionnaire or interview. You have to collect the data. And secondary data means once it is.
Ma'am, it's disturbing, ma'am.
So actually, where I'll click on, I am not getting actually.
Actually, ma'am, Anuradha Das mic is on, ma'am. That's why the disturbance created, ma'am.
So, who is Anuradha? Please you mute your mic.
Anuradha Das, please mute yourself.
Okay. So now we'll continue data analysis. In analysis, that what we have to do in analysis part that I am discussing. So that I am discussing through means analysis means it may be related to univariate data, it may be related to bivariate data, it may be related to multivariate. So univariate data analysis means only single variable you want to study. Suppose in height, only single variable, that is your height. So suppose you want to go for studying related to students' height or students' weight. Then weight is your single variable. Single variable, if you want to study, that is related to univariate analysis. Means you want to find out that the height of the mean height or that standard deviation. So mean, standard deviation, median, mode, all these are univariate analysis. Variance, okay. So bivariate analysis means if you want to study two variables means it may be related to height and weight. Okay, height of the student and weight of the student, that is bivariate, two variable study. It may be that correlation and regression you can apply generally. Right? Maybe there are so many different techniques. I will make you understand. Just I am saying. Then multivariate means so many variables. If you want to study simultaneously, then it is known as multivariate. So univariate, bivariate, multivariate analysis, it is there in the data analysis part. Then it is coming only analysis, it is not sufficient. You have to go for interpretation. Next, it is coming how to validate the result. Validate the result means whether your result is accurate or it is satisfying your objective or not, means accuracy testing, that is known as validation. Okay, that also I'll make you understand afterwards. Next, it is coming that literature review. So literature review, how to go for literature review for any type of research, the primary idea you'll get from the literature review. So through these particular sites, Google Scholar, ResearchGate, ResearchSquare, LinkedIn, you have to means register yourself so that you can see different types of papers. Means suppose you want to do the research in product design. So this keyword you put in the Google Scholar and the papers related to the product design, just you click on that Google Scholar. First you have to go for registration, then you have to write that product design in Google Scholar, that site. There are so many different papers related to Google that product design. It will come in PDF form, in HTML form. You have to download it and you have to read it thoroughly so that you will get so many idea related to your current topic. Your means whatever you want to do research, you'll get so many idea if you go through that particular papers. Okay, so here the steps I have written, that how to go for means collect the paper. That first you have to register yourself in Google Scholar, ResearchSquare, ResearchGate, Researcher, then LinkedIn. There are so many different websites nowadays, so many different it is coming that you can get so many different papers. Then you have to download it and identify the key point. Key point already I have told, if it is a product design, if it is a means HR, then employee satisfaction, job satisfaction, or whatever you want to do, that you put just keyword or identify. Then you have to go for tabular form. So after collecting so many papers or downloading so many papers, 50 papers, minimum 50 papers, it may be extended. So you have to go through it, you have to thoroughly read, and you have to represent in a tabular form. Because once you are identifying, then you will get that what type of tools they have applied, what are the different objectives, what are the findings. According to that, you have to represent through a table. Okay, you have to show in a tabular form. Then you have to identify the research gap. After representing in a table, you can identify what is the research gap. Means what exactly all the people's overall world they have done and what you have to do. That is known as research gap. Then next one, it is coming citations. So only that referring that paper, it is not sufficient. You have to cite in the review paper also. Whatever the paper you have referred, you have to cite in the paper also, because otherwise it will coming under plagiarism. That's why. Then you have to write the references. Okay, so these are the steps for literature review. Then next one, it is coming how to represent in a tabular form. Just this is the little bit idea. So first column, you can see the serial number. Suppose I have collected 43 number of papers. Then it is author. Author means different authors, so what they have done related to your work. Then these are the some parameters you have to identify. P, since this is the I have done the research related to supply chain network design. That's why these are the parameters I have identified. That P for profit, C for cost, S for I have written here shortage. Okay, W for waste, and DI means distance, D means deterministic, R means robust, F means fuzzy, SI means simulation, ST means stochastic, IP means integer programming. Like this way you have to identify the parameters from different papers, and you have to put the tick mark which paper cover that particular parameter, which paper means use that particular parameter. You have to put the tick mark so that you can understand from these all the 43 papers, what exactly they have done and what exactly you want to do. That is known as research gap table. This is known as research gap table. So whatever you have got from all the papers, you have to represent in a table. Then it will be clearly visible exactly what is literature review. Means after reviewing all the papers, you have to represent finally in a tabular form. Then you have to identify what the other people they have done till now and what exactly I have to do. Okay, so this is known as research gap. So I think all of you have got the little bit idea. This is just example. Next we are coming literature overview. So literature overview and literature review, this is totally different two terms. Exactly two terms. Literature review, you have to collect some articles and you have to download it and you have to read it. After that, you have to identify what exactly they have done and what exactly you have to do. Okay, that is research gap only. But literature overview means what the world has done till now. If whatever you want to do the research. Suppose you want to do the research in product design, or you want to do research in demand forecasting, you want to do research in stock market forecasting, or you want to do research in employee satisfaction or job satisfaction, or you want to do research in CSR, anyway, whatever it is, it may related any topic, just you choose, and that particular topic you just find out the keyword, and according to that keyword what the world has done till now, you can do or you can get so many idea if you do the literature overview. So literature overview, how will go for that literature, how to do that literature overview, how to do that literature review, already we have discussed. Now how to do the literature overview, today I am discussing. You have to go for any database, that is Scopus database, Web of Science database, Dimension database. There are so many databases, Publon, then PubMed. There are so many different type of database. It is there, psychometrics, so many database it is there. Through that, you have to collect the data set. Data set means it is in the form of CSV form, or it is not in the Excel form. The data set, it will be in the form of CSV form. So through Scopus database or Web of Science database or Dimension database, you have to just write that particular.
CSV
yes.
means?
Yes.
CSV means?
What you are asking?
You said na CSV form. I don't know what is
form.
CSV,
Yes.
ma'am.
That it is
Can you
not
please
in
explain?
Excel form. It should be CSV. File must be saved with CSV file. Okay. That it is their option in the Excel. Whenever you are saving that file, there is the option CSV. You just click on that CSV and you save it. Otherwise, this means whatever the software, the R, Python, or NetworkX, it will not run. Okay, that Excel file, I think they are asking for only CSV file. That's why. So just I'm saying the steps. Then I'll show you one example. I'll show you one example so that you can understand what is the difference between literature review and literature overview. Okay, how to do? Just I'm saying the steps. First, you have to choose any database. It may be Scopus, it may be Web of Science, it may be Dimension. In that database, just you click. Suppose I want to do the research in COVID-19, because 2020 or 2021 nowadays also it is the buzzword, or it is the hot topic related to COVID-19. That's why I have done my research related to COVID-19, and the keyword I have given healthcare and management and COVID-19. 3 keyword I have given. I want to do the research in COVID-19 related to healthcare and how it is managed. Okay, healthcare sector, how COVID-19 it is managed, that I want to do the research. So these 3 are I have taken, these 3 keyword I have taken. You can extend also, or you can put or also. So and or you can put or. These are Boolean expression. You have to include that word. So keyword, it is healthcare, it is management, it is COVID-19. You can put or, you can put and, as your wish, or you can put another one word that you can put in India. In India, healthcare, management, COVID-19, how many people they have done the research you want to do, you want to know. That is your, suppose you want to know that one, you want to do the research on that in India only. If it is confined with India, then you put healthcare, management, COVID-19 and India, you can put. Okay. So according to your thought, your wish, you just put the keyword in that Web of Science or Scopus in dimension. You just keep that, type that keywords. Then you'll get so many different articles you'll get. Means it may be thousand article, it will coming under worldwide, whatever the paper published related to all these keywords, means healthcare, management and COVID-19, you can get thousand number of articles you get in that web, you'll get, means that after clicking these keywords in that particular database. So after getting that one, just you click click on that download option, then one CSV file, it will be downloaded. Okay. So in that downloaded CSV file, you'll get so many columns related to author, related to year of publishing, means title of the topic, title of the paper, everything it will come, page number, volume number, journal, everything it will come in the form of CSV file. Okay. Then what you do, you have to know the software, software that it may be R, it may be Python, it may be NetworkX. Just you have to put the code and you have to go for analytics. It is related to network analysis, it is related to overlay analysis, it is related to density analysis. So different type of analysis it is there for literature overview. So what it is exactly, I'll show you one diagram after this slide, so that you can understand. And what type of analysis you can do? It may be related to documents, it may be related to journals. Documents means articles, papers, research papers, review papers, different. Documents means like that, or book form, whatever. Journals means in which journal, this particular, which journal worldwide, which journal they are published maximum article related to healthcare, management and COVID-19, that you can study. Similarly, which authors they have done maximum work till today they related to healthcare, management and COVID-19. Similarly, organizations, which organization they have done maximum research worldwide that related to the topic healthcare, management and COVID-19. Similarly, countries also, which country they have done maximum work, you can find out directly. Similarly, which keywords maximum used related to your topic you can get. So these are the items you want to study. It may be related to documents, it may be related to journals, it may be related to authors, it may be related to organization, country or keywords. Then how you will study? There is the link creation, it will there. Then they are finding different type of results, you can get that one. So the analysis types, that is, it may be related to co-occurrence, co-authorship, bibliographic coupling, keyword co-occurrence or citation. So all these are the different type of analysis. And which analytics you can do? Either it is related to network analysis, or it is related to overlay analysis, or it is related to density analysis. And these items are how you get the analysis? The item and link. These are the two parameters. Through item and link, you can go for analytics. These three are different analytics. I think all of you are getting a little bit idea. Now I'll show you diagram. I think all of you are observing this one, getting two diagrams. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now from these two diagrams, you can understand that exactly what is network analysis. What is network analysis? Just analytics. So network analytics, already I have told, it is related to item and link. Link means all of you are getting how the link it is done, and it is worldwide. I have done the research related to, I have done the analytics related to what topic? That is, you tell me, healthcare, management and COVID-19. In the year 2020, I think so, 2020 or 21, I have collected the database from Scopus database, and this is my analytics. Okay. And here you can get in US people, they have done the maximum work related to COVID-19, whatever the topic I have chosen. Then next one, UK, then India, Singapore, Japan. You can see what is the maximum level of research they have done. From this diagram, you can understand. No men, they can understand from this diagram what it is there exactly. So whatever it is done worldwide, according to your topic, you can get that directly visible idea means directly means you can get the information related to means your interest, means it may be related to country analysis, it may be related to document analysis, it may be related to journal analysis, it may be related to author analysis, whatever, or keyword analysis. Next one, it is I can say that second one, it is related to keyword analysis. So first one country analysis, second one keyword analysis. Keyword analysis means which keyword it is maximum used by the researcher according to your topic. That your topic is what? Healthcare management and COVID-19. Okay, that is human, pandemics, PPE, then psychology, then medical research, quarantine, United States, review, risk factor. All these are the maximum, all these are the words which are generally used by the researcher, surgery, hospital. Okay, so I think you are getting so many idea from this means keyword analysis, so that you have an energy, or you have an idea or information that what the world is doing, whatever you want to do, what the world has done, not doing, has done and doing also, you can get the information, so that you can proceed further. That exactly you get there will be more interesting that yes, in this area maximum people they have not done the work, I have to do that. You can have an idea. Okay, so diabetes, resilience, then contact examination, sociometry, socioeconomics, minority group, hydrochloroquine, mortality rate, quarantine, prevalence, then respiration, artificial, virus. There are so many keywords you are getting. Surgery, you are getting my point or not? I think all of you are getting that what is the exactly meaning of, or how to go for risk factors, fever, so many keywords it is seen here. Operating room, these are the keywords they have used maximum, that those who are doing the research related to COVID-19 management and healthcare. So like this way, I think all of you have got a little bit idea related to literature review and literature overview. Yes or no? Dear students, all of you have got some idea?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, one point. So,
Yes.
literature overview is a subset of literature review, you can say.
What?
Literature overview is a
Yes.
subset of literature review, you can say. In a single line, literature overview is a subset of literature review. Means it's a part of literature review.
Obviously, because literature overview means till now whatever they have done, it is a picturization form. It is more interesting. You can get in just at a glance only. You can understand what it is exactly there, what the people they have done. Exactly some parameters cover. You can cover that journal, documents, country analysis, or you can go for author analysis. You can go for organization analysis. Which organization in world they are doing maximum works, whatever you are interested. You are getting my point or not?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, another one is, so if from literature overview,
Yes.
when a new researcher is doing any kind of research or any kind of experiment, so
Yes.
by reviewing the literature overview, he can get an idea for the new project, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So now I think the next one, it is coming mathematical modeling type of research. That is my research work. I am doing the research related to supply chain network design. That is my current research. If the time it will permit, just I'll give you a little bit idea. 5 minutes it is there, no? Okay. So this class I cannot cover all the whatever it is there in that PPT. There are 29 slides. So I think afterwards, just in before that class, I will provide you all the materials related to your topic, means whatever it is there in that syllabus, and just you have to download it, that material, and each and every class that will discuss. Okay, that material, through that material also I will discuss, but these are the brief idea related to research methodology, how it will be applicable in any type of research. Okay, that we are discussing. So mathematical modeling type of research means here I have applied in supply chain network design. Just I want to give you one idea related to supply chain network design. Okay, those who are production and operations management area, those who want to do the research in operations research, those who have the mathematics background, they can understand clearly. I am not saying like that way. Easy means easy form. I'll try my level best to make you understand what is the meaning of supply chain network design. So in this particular model, actually, I have done the work related to milk supply chain network design. So milk supply chain network design, from this diagram, you can understand that milk farmers, they are providing milk to the village dairy, means cooperative society. Okay, this is supply chain. Supply chain means user to, sorry, supplier to user. Whatever the activity is going on, it is in a supply chain. In language, I am giving you.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yes.
Somebody disturbing.
Yes, yes. I think someone is means unmute. That's why disturbing. From my side, it is okay. I think from your side, any student that.
Now it's okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, very good. So here that milk producer, they are producing the milk and they are supplying that one to the village dairy. Then from the village dairy, it is coming to the chilling sector. Then processing, marketing. Afterwards, it will coming to the retailer. Okay. So anyway, finally, the distribution center. I have done the research related to supply chain network design, means what is exactly the distribution center for the finished product, and what is exactly it is there number of distribution center for a milk industry, and what exactly the number of distribution centers should be there. Okay, exactly means existing and proposing. I want to find out that one. According to the demand of the milk product, what is exactly distribution center or facility location, and what is the number of distribution it should be established. It should be established. That I have to find out. Okay, so that the total supply chain profit or cost, it should be, if it is a cost, then how it will be minimized. If it is a profit, how it will be maximized. That is my objective or problem. So this is the problem I have to identify. The number of distribution center I have to find out according to the demand, or so many different data it is there, information, and what is the total supply chain cost I have to find out. Okay, for which product? For milk product. It may be single product, it may be multi-product, whatever it may be. So this is the mathematical model, means I have to develop the mathematical model related to this particular problem. So how to do that, I will show you the paper in the next class, and in between that I have to teach whatever it is there in the syllabus also. So simultaneously I'll discuss so that you can understand the theoretical portion and application part also. You can understand so that it will be more interesting. So I think now next slide it will come. So another one, it is coming, time series modeling type of research. Time series means finance students, those who are interested to do the research in finance, they can understand clearly. So actually this is another of one of my paper. I am also interested to do the paper related to finance, related to marketing also. I have done so many papers. So any type of analytical papers I am interested to do. So this is one of my paper which is published in Springer, that is time series modeling. I have developed one paper related to this. I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number of countries that stock market index, and I have developed the paper related to co-integration. Which country is related to another country market index? So that means that model I have developed. Okay, out of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of these 8 country, which country is depending upon the another country related to stock market I have developed. So this is known as co-integration study. Co-integration study. This paper also I will show you the next class. So then it is coming machine learning. That is that at last we will discuss this machine learning techniques. That is advanced technology. First you have to understand that general techniques, that is traditional techniques. Then this is your advanced technology, the computer science students, those who are interested to do that. It is not like that computer science, machine learning techniques, the students, they can apply. Those who have the knowledge related to mathematics, statistics and computer science. If we combine these 3 particular concepts, mathematics, statistics and computer science, it is not like that. I am not saying that you have to go for depth, just the basic idea. Just the basic idea. Just I Hello. हाँ सर हाँ मु गोटे खाली क्लास नउची 5 मिनिट छाडी कॉल करची से ऑनलाइन क्लास नउची हो ठीक है then next we will discuss that means if means I'm not saying that depth knowledge it is there for it is required for machine learning techniques. It is just means advanced technology. First you have to know about the basic, means whatever we want to means we are going to discuss in the next class onwards, the basic knowledge means univariate, bivariate and multivariate. Then you'll go for the machine learning techniques. Those you have the knowledge related to computer science, mathematics and statistics. Little bit, I am not saying that depth, but the coding, it is the most important one. Machine learning, you have to know for coding, Python or R software, you can do that machine learning techniques, you can apply that one. So what is exactly machine learning techniques? Next class we'll discuss. So like this way, I want to show you the PPT. Next class we'll discuss. So machine learning, what are the meaning and everything it is there. Then the different types of machine learning techniques. Okay, that we'll discuss. Then how it will be applied in any area. I mean social science, social media, then biology, physics, chemistry. Okay, computer science, management, finance. You can say any area you can apply. Marketing, HR, any particular area you can apply machine learning techniques. That is advanced technology. Okay, literature people also they can apply machine learning techniques. All these are the different area where you can apply machine learning techniques. Next it is coming, which are the different books, basic books you can follow for the machine learning techniques. Okay, that I'll make you understand in the next class. I will cover that one. So these are the applications of machine learning, and these are the I have applied machine learning technique in COVID-19. I will show you. Next class I will show you one paper. So half hour I will teach my syllabus, and half an hour I will discuss this particular PPT so that you can interlink that one and how it will be applicable in any research you can understand clearly. So this is coming research methodology. Next class we'll discuss the steps. Okay, and these are the different types of analysis. Already I have told different types of analysis, data, what are the different type of data, we'll discuss variables. Okay, everything we'll discuss. Then bivariate analysis, univariate analysis, bivariate analysis. Okay, these are your univariate, then bivariate, then multivariate. Okay, these are your multivariate analysis, different types of multivariate analysis. So steps for analysis, then how to do the research, just chapterization I have written here, then final. So like this way, I think all of you have got a little bit idea related to this. So any more questions, if you have, you can ask me within 2-3 minutes, otherwise I will stop. Thank you. If any more questions, you can ask me.
Hello, ma'am. Good
Yes.
morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Ma'am, how plagiarism acts in research methodology?
Yes, that
Or the-
plagiarism, there are so many softwares. Okay, there are so many softwares. You can directly use that means free software, means through Google also you can do that one, but it is not clearly giving that accurate result. Turnitin, suppose you are in any institutions, Turnitin it is there. Though another another software also, so many different type of software it is available, but your institution should provide you. Otherwise, you can go for the free in Google also you can do directly. Okay. Any more? Any more questions, please?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you share this slide to us, because we are
Yes,
not
yes, yes,
noted
obviously.
all documents.
Obviously, I will share this one. Means I will give it to your ma'am. Okay, she will share that in
Okay,
mail.
ma'am.
I will said I will give that one. Or
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
you have no group mail ID, no?
No, ma'am, we have a WhatsApp group
Okay,
only.
okay.
If you
Anyway, anyone-
Ma'am, actually, I message to you. You can share on that mail ID. After the you share, I can share in the Telegram and WhatsApp group of us. No problem. I
actually,
already
I
messaged
am not getting. So one thing I want to do, I will share it to your ma'am. It means that I'll mail it to your ma'am today by evening. She will share it, because actually now I have class no in department. I have to move forward. That's why in 9 I have to reach to the department. That's why. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. I have to leave now because I have to be ready for the department.
Noted, ma'am.
Okay.